To set corner action for bottom left, to take a screenshot in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find accessibility. Tap accessibility and then tap interaction and dexterity. Scroll down the screen. Under mouse and physical keyboard section, tap auto action after pointer stop. Under corner action section, tap bottom left and then tap the gray on off switch next to take screenshot to enable this option. When the switch turns blue, it means that this option is on. Next, you can connect a USB or Bluetooth mouse with your phone. Once done connecting, now you can easily take a screenshot by hovering and stopping your mouse pointer on the bottom left corner of the screen. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.